It is the end of summer, and if you're planning that last-minute vacation, listen up. You got to make sure you bring your manners to your next hotel stay. Sue Ann Brown, owner of It's All About Etiquette, is here with more. Thanks so much for talking with us.
Thank you.
Okay, how much do we have to worry about hotel etiquette?
Well, you know, it's really important. I don't know if you've ever been to a hotel and the people next door have been loud and, you know, and they're slamming their doors. So it's really super important.
Okay, I am always concerned about this. This is like right now, during the holidays, at all times, tipping.
Yes.
Tipping is so hard to figure out. So,
I know.
When you arrive at a hotel, let's talk about tipping. Who should you tip
so
and how much?
I have my little board here.
Okay.
So when you're parking, the valet should be $2 to $3 on drop-off and pickup of your car.
Okay, because I've heard, no, you don't do it at drop-off, just pickup.
No, because the guy may be gone and then the other person takes over. The doorman, we don't have a lot of doormen, but if we do, it's $1 to $2 if he's hailing you a cab or so forth. And the porter, he's the guy
the bellman.
He brings your bags up, and it should be $1 to $2 per bag. If you have a large amount of luggage, just give him $5 or a $10 bill.
Okay.
Of course, our concierge, if you're working with her and she's making reservations for you at hotels and you're really working with her, just give her a $5 or $10 on the way out when you're leaving the hotel. Restaurant servers, of course, it's again 10, 20, 15, 20. And then the cleaning staff. This is one I get asked all the time. For better hotels, you do want to tip every morning, and a lot of hotels are coming up with this little envelope for the housekeeping. Yes, I know.
Okay, and you just put it in there.
$1 to $5 per night, and it just depends on how long you're there.
Your $100 room just went up to $200, by the way.
Yes.
So, what are some other do's and don'ts?
Well, you basically want to make sure in your room that you're picking things up. You pick all your, you know, the towels that you've used, put them in a little pile so it's easy for the maid to pick it up. You want to make sure that you're not being really noisy, your TV on loud.
Courteous.
You know, keep it courteous to the neighbor next door. Always be fully dressed when you're opening the door, okay? Yes.
You have to tell people that?
Well, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, and then also, when you're leaving your room, don't slam your door.
Okay.
You know, and then when you're going through the hallways, be careful. You know, 9 o'clock, people are going to bed. So, at night, you know, watch your voice when you're going through.
Okay, keep that in mind. Okay,
Yes.
Now, what about the complimentaries? They usually have robes.
Yep.
Sometimes they have slippers. They have a little shampoo and conditioner. What can you take? What should you not be taking?
Okay, so the things that are usable, you take. So that would be your shampoo. Sometimes
you can take
there's
that.
Razors.
What about the little sewing kit?
Okay, the sewing kit and the polishing shoe thing is fine.
Yeah, the shoehorn.
Yeah, and don't take the
They'll charge you now.
Yeah, they'll charge you for that. And you know, I did go to a nice hotel, and they did have slippers for us, and I could take these home because you don't want to wear somebody else's shoes.
I went to a hotel and they had little slippers, and I'm like, ooh, I want these.
Yes.
I'm like, no, maybe not.
Yeah.
Okay, it's all about etiquette. You go over all of this stuff and more. Tell me about that.
Okay, so basically we're just finishing up with our summer etiquette camp. It was great this whole year. And now we're going into fall, so I'll be doing after school programs for some programs, and I've got my own programs for my 6 to 8, 9 to 12, and teens, and of course the business professionals.
And
so
this is a good time to do it. Yes. It's kind of like back to school, get back on track with all of that and more. Again, everyone, you can learn more by going to itsallaboutettiquette.com. And